Hey, this is your boy J-Hen, and right now I'm coming to you from Dallas, Texas in the Deep Ellum neighborhood. And I'm just gonna take you guys on a nice little walking tour. I was just here in the summer of June of 2021. This is my first time coming to this side of town, and I actually went to checked out a few of the bars, a few of the restaurants. One of the places that I'll say is really nice is Sirius Pizza. I mean, the vibe in there was nice. The DJ, he was jamming music from the 80s, the 90s, current, and they had the videos playing to the songs that he was playing, so it was really nice. The pizzas are humongous in there. If you order a whole pizza, they're like humongous. You can get the food to go, you can eat in there, you can order by the slice. And there's a ton of TVs inside of there, you know, playing the music and the videos that the DJ is actually playing. So this is a pretty nice area. You can walk around. Like I said, there's lots of eateries, lots of rooftop bars, lounges, and places that are playing music, places that have live music. One thing I'll say is you do have to get to this area kind of early, because if you don't, we got down here maybe after 11 o'clock, and it was hard finding a parking spot. It was hard even driving into the area because traffic was just so backed up. I talked a lot to you guys, but while you're here, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And here you guys go. You can see this walking tour from this neighborhood here in Dallas, Texas. Peace.